Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bharti Puri, and today in this video I'm going to be doing another Indian festival look. So yeah, I was just basically waiting for some of my clothes to arrive. I ordered it from Jabong website, some Indian clothes. I think it's still on its way. So one of them was this beautiful kurti top set I ordered. I'll show you the dupatta later on once the whole makeup is done, because I don't want to, somehow dirty the dupatta. So yeah, this is so beautiful. It's by this brand called Biba, and I love that's one of my favorite brands for ready-made Indian clothes. So yeah, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to start with the makeup tutorial now. And everything, whatever you see, I will put all the information down below in the description box. So in case you want to know where my earrings are from, where is the suit from, and all the makeup that I'm using, I will put everything down below in the description box. So for this makeup look, first I will start doing my eyes first. Once I finish with my eyes, I will do my base. Yeah, so I will do my eyebrows first. I'm using the INNISFREE eyebrow pencil. Just brushing my eyebrows first. And then I will be using this liquid eyebrow filler, which I got from Amazon, just to make my eyebrows look more fuller. Just taking this a little bit like this. And just filling in only this part of the eyebrow. And now I will be using the Makeup Revolution concealer. This is the Conceal and Define, and I am in the shade C7. And I'll be using this concealer as a base for my eyeshadow as well. And it's very full coverage, so I really like that it covers my dark circles and my pigmented eyelid as well. I'll be using the PAC Mini Beauty Blender. And now I'll be using the Yes Please palette by ColourPop Cosmetics. It's not important that you use exactly whatever I'm using in this makeup tutorial. You can just use the exact colors to achieve this look. It's not important that you need this exact particular brands for each step that I'm doing. I'm using the PAC 213 brush. I really love this brush. It is so fluffy and soft. I love it. Sadly, this palette doesn't come with a mirror. I find it very annoying whenever any palette comes without a mirror. So I'll be using this shade just to powder my eyelids. I'll be just defining the crease now by using this shade first. I'm using the WISESHE Pro Domed Crease Brush. This brush by WISESHE brand has become one of my favorite. It's just the right size for my small eye shape. And now I will be using the Pack 213 brush again, and this brush I will be now using for blending out the harsh lines around here. And there's no product in the brush, so I'm just using it just to blend out the harsh lines. Make sure you take your time to blend out the harsh lines, because blending is the secret to any good eyeshadow makeup. Can you see the difference? This one is blended, this one is not. So I'm going to blend out the harsh lines around here as well. And now I'm using the Sigma E55 brush and the Makeup Revolution concealer just to draw a crease line. Cut crease? Yeah, that's what you call it, cut crease. And make sure you use a very thick kind of concealer for this. Now I have these two which I recently purchased from Nykaa website. And let's see which one should we use. I think this looks nice. Or else, what about this? I think we'll go with the more of a lilac-y for just to suit with the kurti. It has a blush tip applicator, and I will be using this like this directly. And I'll just let it dry now. Now I have to just wait till it dries. So guys, as you can see, it's all dried now. It takes exactly 2 minutes for this liquid glitter to dry, but once it's dried, it doesn't budge at all. So that's what I really like. And now I will be using a black liquid eyeliner just to give myself a winged eye look. And I'll be using this KIKO MILANO Definition Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This is my all-time favorite liquid eyeliner. So I really like this, and I highly recommend you guys if you want a sweat proof, waterproof, swimming proof, anything. It's a very good liquid eyeliner. But it takes ages to dry, so you have to be ready for that. You need time with this liquid eyeliner. And it is super jet black, so I really like that. So guys, I had to go off camera to do my eyeliner very properly because it's been a very long time I haven't done a winged eyeliner look. So I was kind of out of practice, but finally I managed to do it. So I really like how everything, like the whole eye makeup has come and how it looks right now. So now I will be using this mascara. It's the NYX mascara Worth the Hype. And this is like one of my favorite mascaras I'm currently obsessing over. So I'll be using this. And then I'll be using some falsies. Because this kind of a dramatic eye makeup look, you really need falsies to really suit the whole look. So now my eye makeup is done, at least with the falsies and everything. I will be now moving on to the primer. I'll be using the NYX Total Control Drop Primer, and it's one of my favorite at the moment. So now I have applied the primer. I'll be using a color corrector. I'll be using the Dermacolor corrector by Kryolan brand. And I'll be using this orange shade right here. And I'll be using my fingers. Just tiny bit is all you need. And now I'll be using the Total Control Drop Foundation. And then I will apply the concealer. Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. And now for the powder, I will be using the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. And now I'll be using the Wet n Wild blush in the shade called Pearlescent Pink. Just tap out the excess and then just smile. And for the highlighter, I'm using my usual Mary Luminizer highlighter by the Balm brand. I've hit pan, you guys, as you can see. I've hit pan. I love this highlighter so much. In almost every makeup tutorial, I've been using this highlighter, and oh my god, just look, so beautiful. Especially for Diwali, I feel we need this. For the lips, I'm not sure. I think I will go with pink lips because the dupatta is pink color. All of this Indian outfit has that. So I'm using the Sigma Power Liner in a shade called Sigma Pink. So guys, I hope you all like this makeup tutorial, and if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what you think, and I will see you guys next time. Take care, you guys.